Hi guys, a project I've been meaning to do for a long time, a screw organiser. I want the box bases to be 177 by 115mm and the sides at 60mm high, giving me an overall size of 297 by 235. I'm making the boxes out of 3mm Birch Ply. I cut some 50mm strips and I'm gluing them around the box material to form a frame. I'm twinning them up to widen the frame to 100mm wide. I also cut some 12mm MDF to 50mm and apply those strips on top of the outer frame. I laser engrave all the various sizes that I require. I then apply some 50mm masking tape to support the board. Once taped, Erica places the board in its frame, drills the finger pull, and then routes a V-groove into the board. The router's depth is set so it leaves about 0.3 of a mil left of the board. I make a small box just to assist with gluing up. Using a sharp knife, I cut the corners out. Erica then applies some glue. Then folds the box up. And uses some tape to hold it. For the pigeonholes, I'm using some 12.5 Birch Ply. I used some small retaining blocks for the router guides, but in hindsight I could probably have just screwed them in place. I have some threaded T-nuts set into my bench, and here I'm just making an adjustable stop. Each of the central uprights needed 2 housings routed into each face. Then a bit of glue and a few pins to put it all together. The only part that will be seen are the front edges, so a quick sand up. And then a round over with the router. A final rub and we're good to go. Off camera, I found a scrap of white face ply and pinned that on as a back. A bit of miscommunication as to where everything went, but we'll get that sorted in time. And job done.